So in this game, you can first check the predefined list of words or add words to the list. So if I want to check what words could I be getting, I enter 2, and the words that the Python program could give me would be between these. If I want to add another word, I can just add it. So if I do 3, if I want to add, for example, hello or bye, I can continue adding it until I want it. And if I don't want to add more, I can just write done. Hello and bye are here. Now if I want to start the game, the turtle screen opens up and it asks me to guess a letter. So if I guess A, it says bad luck and it draws a line for the hangman. So now we know it has 5 letters and 2 of them are E. Then I might guess J. That's wrong again, so it draws another line. It continues drawing it until we get a right letter. The word is geeks, but I'll make it wrong so you can see how the Python would look like. Because I already guessed T, it does not give me an extra line, even if it's wrong. It says try again next time, you're out of lives. And then it also gives the word. And as you can see, the hangman is complete here. If I want to play again, I can just enter a space and start the game once more. So for my code, this is how I did it. I first designed the menu, which was start the hangman game, and then this is the list, and then the choices. But if your choice is not 1, 2, 3, or 4, tells you to continue asking for the choice. And if your choice is 1, it goes to the game. So it checks the word. The word that the hangman will ask you for would be a random from this list of words. If you already guessed something, they would not deduct extra lives from you for that. So then every time, the length of the word, it adds an underscore here, so you would know what it would be. And this is the wrong word, and you have 9 lives in total. Then if your life is 9, it just draws the Python hangman. If you have 0 lives, you can say try again, and then it prints the word. Otherwise, it would print congratulations, and then you could go back to the menu.